Everything starts with the foundation of calcium, harvested and prepared for refinement. Precision begins at the source, ensuring only the highest quality raw materials enter the line. Transporting the raw elements requires a constant, unwavering flow toward the next stage.
Purity is non-negotiable. Every impurity must be stripped away before the transformation.
Mechanical force breaks down the rigid structures into manageable mineral fragments.
Uniformity is the key to a consistent texture in the final product.
Complementary minerals, like silica, are gathered to provide the necessary abrasive power.
Every kilogram is accounted for, maintaining the strict formula required for dental health.
Raw materials must pass rigorous testing before they are permitted to enter the production facility.
With the harvest complete, the raw elements are ready for their journey into the heart of the facility. A hidden network of steel and air carries the foundation of our product toward the next horizon.
Massive volumes are moved with care, ensuring the supply chain remains unbroken.
Secure connections are vital to prevent contamination during the high-pressure transfer. Every pound of pressure is monitored to ensure a smooth and efficient transit. With the cargo secured, the journey to the heart of production begins. Logistics and timing must be perfectly synchronized to keep the production lines fed.
Entry is strictly controlled, maintaining a sterile and secure environment for the process ahead.
Professional precision ensures that every delivery is docked without a second of wasted time. The materials have arrived, crossing the threshold from raw harvest to industrial asset. Now inside the facility, the raw elements begin their final preparation for the mix. Modern hygiene is built on a scale that rivals the greatest monuments of engineering.
Every day, a dedicated team crosses the threshold into a world of clinical precision.
Security is the first layer of defense in maintaining a controlled, sterile environment. Leaving the outside world behind is a requirement for the purity of the process. Specialized PPE transforms the worker into a vital component of the sterile chain. No detail is too small when the goal is absolute product integrity. Contamination is stopped at the ground level before it can ever reach the floor.
A final blast of air strips away any remaining particles from the outside world.
Cleanliness is not a gesture here. It is a rigorous, measured protocol.
The gates are open and the raw materials are ready for their first stage of purification.
Water is the first step in stripping away the remnants of the past. High-pressure streams ensure every surface is reached and scrubbed clean.
Constant agitation ensures a uniform clean across every single fragment.
Human eyes verify what the machines have purified. Velocity and gravity work in tandem to refine the texture and remove excess fluid. Magnets draw out the smallest traces of impurities to protect dental health. Optical sensors detect what is invisible to the naked eye. A physical check confirms the success of the first industrial wash. Intense heat evaporates the moisture, leaving only the pure mineral essence. Cleaned and dried, the minerals move closer to the core of the transformation.
Precision mixing is the heart of the process, where separate elements become a single solution.
A moist base is established first, providing the smooth medium for the minerals to follow.
The raw strength of the minerals is now introduced to the liquid foundation.
High shear force breaks down every particle, ensuring a texture that is perfectly uniform. Specialized agents are integrated to give the paste its essential cleaning and foaming properties.
Controlling the temperature is critical to prevent the breakdown of sensitive chemical bonds.
Removing air ensures the final product is dense, stable, and free of pockets. Flavor and protection are the final touches, defining the character of the batch. The mill provides the final refinement, achieving a medical-grade consistency. The transformation is complete. The raw minerals have become the paste we recognize. Stability is achieved through time, allowing the chemical bonds to set before the final transformation. Every batch is a testament to the factory's commitment to a flawless sensory experience.
Parallel lines of production prepare the aesthetic elements that define the brand's identity.
Here, the separate elements meet, flowing in perfect synchronization toward the filling floor. Physics and pressure maintain the distinct layers, ensuring the stripes remain crisp until they reach the brush.
Balance is the key to preventing the colors from bleeding into one another during the final stage.
While the paste matures, the vessels that will carry it to the world arrive in a relentless tide. Precision robotics ensure that every tube is perfectly positioned for the high-speed filling process. Absolute cleanliness is maintained until the very moment the paste is introduced.
The stage is set for the union of the paste and the package.
Automation allows for a level of precision that ensures every gram is perfectly placed. Filling from the base ensures a dense, air-free container ready for the final seal. High-frequency sound waves create a permanent, leak-proof bond without the need for glue. Clean edges are essential for both safety and the professional aesthetic of the brand.
Every unit is digitally marked, allowing for full traceability back to the raw materials.
Automated checks prevent leaks during transport and ensure ease of use for the consumer. Weight verification is the first line of defense in maintaining strict quality standards.
Robotics bridge the gap between the raw product and the final retail package.
Packaging is engineered to be as robust and precise as the product it contains. The unit is now complete, safely encased, and ready for its final journey.
Efficiency is maximized by bundling units, preparing them for the demands of global retail.
A protective layer is the first step in ensuring the product remains pristine during transit. Controlled heat creates a secure, tamper-evident seal that binds the units together.
Strength and structure are provided by heavy-duty corrugated cases, the final armor for the product. Speed and accuracy meet here, where individual units are consolidated into bulk shipments. Specialized industrial adhesives ensure that the case remains sealed under the harshest conditions.
Physical pressure completes the bond, finalizing the structural integrity of the package.
Every case is given its own identity, enabling global tracking from the factory floor to the shelf.
Even at the bulk level, the weight is checked to ensure not a single unit is missing.
The final barrier between the factory and the consumer is the rigorous eye of the laboratory. Science is the final arbiter of quality, ensuring every tube meets medical-grade standards. Maintaining a neutral pH is vital for protecting the enamel while cleaning the teeth.
At the microscopic level, we verify that the abrasive minerals are consistent and safe.
The perfect squish is a matter of physics, calculated to provide the ideal user experience. We accelerate time to ensure the product remains stable from the factory to the bathroom shelf.
Absolute sterility is confirmed through biological monitoring, leaving no room for contamination.
Even the aesthetics are measured by light and logic to maintain brand consistency.
Precision dosing of active ingredients is the difference between a cosmetic and a dental tool.
Every seal must withstand the pressures of global travel without a single leak. With every test passed, the batch is officially cleared for its final destination. Approval reaches the floor, initiating the final movement of the completed batch. Strength and speed combine to organize thousands of units into a single, stable load. Secure containment protects the cargo from the elements and shifts during global transit.
Human skill takes over to navigate the final steps of the industrial journey. Storage is a temporary pause in a process designed for constant, worldwide motion.
The bridge between the factory and the world is set with heavy steel and hydraulic power.
Space is optimized. Every square inch of the container is filled with precision-engineered hygiene. Sealed and certified, the product is now ready for its journey to millions of homes.
And this is how modern factories produce toothpaste from start to finish.
From raw minerals to the morning ritual, the cycle of industry never stops.